With a bowman? I think bowman. Or you want a cute guy in Bermudas? Or you want a fat man with gobbling char kway teow? 没有差别，没有啦。那你want可以选，你要跟谁？Cute guy啦。Cheapest, I want cheapest. Cheap second, 30 seconds. Ah, $4. Got even cheaper than $4? 30 seconds. Oh, 直接了。Oh. Money girl. What do you buy? What do you buy? This is good for family plan. So you should teach me one. Do you think I should give her 10 minutes? Yeah. How long? 9.
together for me. I think the costing is not an issue on their mind because they are all wealthy girls who's making a lot of money every month.
But we have no money to buy the YouTube game.
Yeah, from this nights out, right, I learned a lot about each other. Like, I wrote him hands up very well. She can't continue to like be free. She can drink just that she turned red, but she got no problem.
Yeah, okay.
Xiaoling will shout at the appropriate time to shout for Yi-Tian. And Yi-Tian, as usual, always come to my defense. And Xiao-Hun, regardless what happens, she's the one to put everything together and find the most expensive quotation and ask y'all, take it or not? It's gonna be fun. Then you all say, okay. I can never forget